Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we have the leaked Manchester City home shirt, and this is for the 26-27 season. Need to make sure that I say it right. Always gets me when you get shirts that are coming out for the new season or the next season, as this one will be. Now this shirt was purchased from photoshop1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I do like getting hold of the leaked ones. I think they're always really interesting to see. It's nice to compare them to when the official one gets released, which is probably going to be a fair few months down the line, although you do start getting some of the leaked images sooner. The shirt comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side it does have the usual health warnings. I will leave a link to my usual DHGate seller as well in the description of the video. You can take a look at their items that they sell as well. Hopefully I will be able to link it direct to Manchester City. Now the shirt, I believe, looking at it, is the player spec one. Can't remember what I'd ordered when I did it, but yeah, looks to be the player spec one. So what we'll do now is we will get the shirt out of the bag and we'll take a good look at it. If you do enjoy the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, by all means, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But yeah, let's take a look at this leaked Manchester City home shirt. Okay, we're at the front of the shirt and we have the Puma that's been heat pressed on, and you do also have one on that sleeve and one on that sleeve as well. The Man City crest embossed but heat pressed on. So I'm not sure whether there's a slight bump there, but we'll take a look when we get on the inside as to whether that is slightly up or not. The Etihad Airways, again, that's heat pressed on. They've gone, actually, the whole lot has gone on lovely. And I am just going to zoom out a second because I really like how it goes from that like darker blue through to the light at the bottom. I think that's a real nice touch. At the bottom, we have the authentic licensed football, Puma. And we have dry cell on that side. And I've just noticed there is a sleeve sponsor as well. I'm not sure what that is. Is that OKH or DKH? But again, that's vinyl heat pressed on, and that feels good. Even the smaller ones there, which sometimes are a little bit looser, feels really, really nice. Collar looks good. Gotta say, it's one of my favourite City shirts, this one, just for that colour. Might not be everybody's cup of tea, but so far I do think it looks really quite smart. Let's take a look at the reverse. Okay, as we move to the reverse side, again we can see the Puma at the top and the back of the sponsor just there. But we also have City, like a little bit of, I don't know what that is. It's like, I think it feels like it's pulled or something there. But yeah, we've got City on the back. I do think by being a leaked one, I think they'll probably have the boat or something there, probably not just City. I could be wrong, but it does look a little bit, I don't know, just City there looks a bit off to me. The colour on the back though does not change. You've got the same blue all the way through. So yeah, as much as I like this, and now flipped it over, I'm more thinking that this is a leaked one obviously, and I don't think this will be the official one. Yeah, I could be wrong there. You've got the banding around the collar there for the neck support as well. But not a lot to show you on this side. Let's take a look at the inside now as well. Okay, we're now on the inside, and the inside is, yeah, a bit strange. It's got this light material colour, which is completely different to what the sleeves are. I've just noticed it's folded over, but we have a tag here. The Puma XL shirt, Man City official partner. The badge, just get rid of that again. Oh yeah, I mentioned about whether the badge had that issue, which to be fair, now on the inside it looks all right. There's nothing there that feels off. The Puma, lovely, and the Etihad Airways, equally as nice. And actually what I've realised is that the bottom colour, that light colour, is pretty much the same as this colour. So they've obviously dyed the top part of the shirt. Sleeve sponsor on here, all good. And the bottom where we had the official Puma partner, again, absolutely fine. Hemline on the inside, a leaked one, so you know it's never going to be perfect, but to be fair, that looks okay. And And finally, we've got our wash instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip it inside out as it is now and put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, just let them hang dry. But there's the first part of the inside of the shirt looked at. We'll take a look at the final side now. And here's the final part. And there's that banding around the top for the collar support. And then you've got the Puma Refiber XL. This is a player spec shirt, so the recommendation is to always size up on these ones. The breathable material just there and on this side as well. And then looking at the bottom, the hemline on this side looks absolutely fantastic. So it's multiple bits of material, look, as you can see, that have all been put together to make this shirt. If we push in, the badge is sticking out a little bit there, but yeah, not see-through at all. So actually quite a nice thick material, which has got a nice sort of texture to it, like a bit of a shiny material, but feels really luxurious. But there's the final part of the inside of this Man City shirt. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And there we have our leaked Manchester City 26-27 home shirt from fofoshop1.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. Leave me a comment and let me know, do you think this is what the official one's going to be like when it gets released, or do you think it'll be different? I think it is going to be different. I don't think they'll keep this like light blue all on there. I think that'll be, I'd rather it be a darker colour just so it stands out a little bit, and that City on the back as well. I think that looks a bit off. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of views on a weekly basis. Any comments, by all means, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as we take our final look at the Manchester City leaked home shirt for the 26-27 season. And there it is. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.